Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from IRDA. Name of post is Assistant Manager Finance. Friends, qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks, and along with that you need to have either Associate CA membership or Associate ICA membership or Associate Company Secretary membership or either as CFA. Then you are eligible to apply. Here age limit is 30 years. There are total 5 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. It's a permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked. Here per month salary will be rupees 1,30,000. Mode of application is online and last date of application is 10th May 2023. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you all that at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses which covers your technical syllabus of the examination. There are many PSU exam courses available on the website as you can see on your screen, and we are keep on adding new courses for your preparation. So do visit Finance MCQ website, take the demo of your course and start preparing for your examination. Website link and coupon code are mentioned in the description box. I wish you all the best for your examination. Friends, next vacancy is from Aircon International Limited. Name of post is Deputy General Manager or Manager. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA with not less than 55% marks. So that's really harsh thing, that 55% for CA CMA, or MBA or equivalent PG degree or PGDF with minimum 55% marks or PG degree in finance. Age limit is 41 years for Deputy General Manager and 37 for Manager. Number of vacancies are 1 for both General Manager and Manager. Nature of employment is permanent. You need to have 9 years of experience for Deputy General Manager and 5 years for Manager. Per month pay scale for Deputy General Manager is 70,000 to 2 lakh and for Manager 60,000 to 1 lakh 80,000. Mode of application is online by 31st May and hard copy should be reached at their office by 2nd June 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India. Name of post is Officers Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA. Age limit is 30 years. There is one vacancy for OBC category candidate. Place of posting is all over India. It's a permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked. Here your per month pay scale will be 30,000 to 1,20,000. You have to apply through offline mode by 3rd June 2023. And next vacancy is again from the same organization, but here the name of post is Clerk and Junior Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with English typing speed of 30 words per minute or Hindi typing speed of 25 words per minute. Age limit is 32 years. There is one vacancy for PWBD candidate. Place of posting is all over India. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 4 years of experience. Here per month pay scale will be 17,820 to 61,130. Again, it's a offline mode application and last day to submit the application is 3rd June 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Bank of Baroda. Name of post is MSME Credit Officer. Qualification asked is graduation, but here the preference will be given to candidate who are having PG degree or diploma in management, finance or banking, forex, credit or CA, CMA or CFA. Age limit is maximum 37 to 40 years. Number of vacancies are 11. Place of posting is all over India. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 5 to 8 years experience in credit appraisal. Friends, here pay scale is SMGC 4, that is 76,000 to 89,890, or management pay scale 3, 63,840 to 78,230. Mode of application is online and last date of making application is 17th May 2023. And next vacancy is again from the same organization, that is Bank of Baroda. Name of post is MSME Credit Export or Import. Qualification asked is graduation and preference will be again given to candidate who are having a PG degree or diploma in management, finance or banking, forex, credit or either a CA, CMA or CFA. Age limit is maximum 37 years. There are total 11 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. These are permanent vacancy. You need to have 5 years experience in export or import credit appraisal. Here your per month pay scale will be in the management pay scale 3 of rupees 63,840 to 78,230. Mode of application is online and last date of making application is 17th May 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineers and Technology. Name of post is Accounts Assistant Grade 3. Qualification asked is full-time first class graduation in commerce with working knowledge in Tally software. Age limit is 32 years. Number of vacancies are 4. Place of posting is in Chennai. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 2 years of experience. Here your package per annum will be rupees 2.6 lakhs initially for 1 year, and then it will be 5 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is offline and you have to apply by 29th May 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from ICAR, Central Tube Crops Research Institute. Name of post is Young Professional 1. Qualification asked is BCom, BBA, BBS with minimum 60% marks. Age limit is 45 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Kerala. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 1 year of experience in any central government organization. Per month stipend will be rupees 25,000 and mode of application is through email, and last date of making application is 15th May 2023. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you find that this vacancy might be useful. And I will see you all in the next week with the latest update. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.